Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Park MGM Las Vegas near the middle of September 2025 here on a complimentary stay using a MyVegas reward and no resort fees with MGM Gold status or better. Walking into the room, 2 queen beds. There was not availability for king beds at the moment for this upgraded room, this stay well room. You can see the beds on the side, lots of art. Moving over to this stay well tray, a do not disturb door hanger, a remote that's allegedly cleaned, more information about this stay well experience with improved air filtration and more. Moving over to nightstand, see a notepad, phone, clock, and plugs or outlets right next to the sleeping area, some USB ports and some regular plugs. On the bottom, you can see this air filter with different modes on it. Moving closer to the art, see a skyline, woman on this side, and various pictures here. See a playing card up top. Over here, see some more art, the maybe Italian Riviera, and see a red couch and the view outside. You can see a roller coaster, Park MGM here, that's at New York, New York. See the buildings of New York, New York on the outside. MGM Grand right across the street. See the David Copperfield advertisement. The New York, New York sign, including Hershey's Chocolate World. Coca-Cola store, M&M store, Hard Rock Cafe, Target, and much more. See the mountains in the back, will look to be the Polo Towers to the left. Flyover, and much more. Going to the construction area where the Oakland Athletics Stadium, or soon to be the Las Vegas Athletics Stadium, should be. Some extra plugs on this side. Long couch, once again. Table here for eating, or maybe laptop. And another air filtration system on this side, Rabbit Air. The red room theme continues. TV in the center, and how about a mini fridge? I didn't request it, but it was just here in the room. Got 2 free MGM Rewards water bottles, the very small ones. Of course, ignore the mini bar over here. Don't take anything from there. Space for luggage and my backpack on this side. Over here, the sink and side mirror. Energizing light on this side. Not sure that it's doing much here. Is the lighting on the side of the mirror, maybe? Some more small art, more plant life on this side. A little bit of an echo in the bathroom. It's a walk-in shower with the sliding door. This one pushes in. See the shampoo, body wash, and more. Looks like there's some sort of infusion accompanying the shower head. And over here, the knob for the shower. A towel rack right next to the shower is nice, don't have to be walking across the room or reaching over. A simple toilet on this side. Get a final look at this stay well 2 queen room with a strip view here at Park MGM Las Vegas. Stay well amenities for this room upgrade and view of the Las Vegas Strip. Justin Vacula with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off.